Alright, now today we're looking to collect some birds. But in order to do that, we need to buy bird bait. And that costs money, which is something I am in very short supply of right now. So to begin, we're going to be tracking down some cash. Here we go. Off to a pretty good start. We've collected $2.25. We got a dime and a quarter. I think I see something up there. Hang on. I found a penny. $1, 1 dime.
Oh my god!
Okay, so it looks like we got 2 2s, so that's 4. A 1, a dime, another dime, and a quarter. This is definitely enough to get some bread. Let's roll. I've got the bread. Now all we need is the birds. Okay, we've made it to Bird Town. Now, there aren't a lot of birds right now, but if I do the ancient bird call of my people, a whole swarm of birds could just appear. I will demonstrate for you now. Oh, I see you. The birds clearly are too afraid to come near. So now I'm gonna go undercover as one of them. Bird camouflage. Didn't work. We got some hard birds here, so for them we have some hard bread. This is an epic win.
Yeah.
Bread. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I'm trying to just shoot the birds because they're making me mad because I can't catch them. Here we go. Okay, we'll put it in the bag. You too.